Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka rupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Katnat Civil Defence and Home Guard, jong Sorkar Jilla, hakan real trik no pra arajar kat kendai, kalarakie ya ka annual day, haka jaka aji hikai kebadan hakasnong mau diang Shillong. Hakini kesngi Menteri Katnat Civil Defence and Home Guard, jong Sorkar Jilla uba H. Brolding Nongsit, ubalalong ukong san, ulasam yaki khusnam shiki pulet Katnat Civil Defence and Home Guard, ki balale ba hakakam kebakitre. Hakini kesngi lai don langru Director General Katnat Home Guard and Civil Defence URP Agarwal, ki he pulen, bat ki bahaya ngasem jong ki pulet Katnat Civil Defence and Home Guard.
Commanded by Sub-Inspector Hamilton Sun.
को मंच से गुजरने के लिए आज्ञा प्रदान करें श्रीमान। Kanikat Kelambe, Menteri Kutigang, Nomor 1 Platoon, Agai, Basrah, Bis Kedam, Red, Jul, Nikolai, Jul. Red, Agai, Jul. Red! Libat din met Dainet Legam! Dainet! Mur!
Border Home Guards Battalion, commanded by Sub-Inspector Emerson Sangma. Followed by Platoon Number 2 of the Meghalaya Secretariat Home Guards, commanded by Sub-Inspector Tek Sirling. Approaching the dais is the brass band of the Border Home Guards Battalion, commanded by Havaldar A.K. Basumatri. Commanded by Sub-Inspector Anushka Basai Ahmad, is Platoon Number 3 of the Central Training Institute, Civil Defence and Home Guards, Meghalaya. Last but not the least, bringing up the rear is the pipe band of the Central Training Institute, Civil Defence and Home Guards, Meghalaya, commanded by Havaldar B. Minsong.
Twin organization of Civil Defence and Home Guards have various roles in our state. They act as an auxiliary to the police in maintenance of internal security, traffic duties, and other police duties. The organization provides security to various critical infrastructure such as banks, power plants, other government offices, Meghalaya secretariats, and prominent organizations. They also guard vital installation and VVIPs in the state. Our civil defense and home guards also assist the civil administration in times of emergency or natural calamities or man-made disasters or in the event of war with the hostile countries. We also impart training to the general population in civil defense and disaster management subjects. In recent years, Government of India and Government of Meghalaya have prioritized the functioning of these two organizations so that they can meet the modern day challenges. The two organizations have made significant contribution at the time of natural and man-made calamities or disasters. At critical junctures in the history of the state, Home Guard and Civil Defense Organizations have credibly assisted the law and order machinery. It is gratifying to state that the department has trained 240 Home Guard volunteers and 2,140 civil defense volunteers during the financial year 2018-19 throughout the state, and this has generated employment opportunity to many youths of the state. Our Home Guard volunteers are deployed with NIPCO in Arunachal Pradesh, in Assam, and in other Meghalaya also. The department has deployed 1,308 trained Home Guard volunteers to different agencies. I am also proud to say that 5,476 volunteers from various NGOs, schools, colleges, government officials, students, etc. have been trained in disaster management subjects till November 2019, with 12 officers and personnel from state being trained outside the state in 2019. I am also happy to share that the State Disaster Response Force SDRF, since its inception, has done a commendable job to save the lives of people in distress by demonstrating professionalism, determination and hard work, by countering multiple challenges with bravery. The SDRF has been vital in conducting search and rescue operations following the natural disasters in the state. It was deployed with the NDRF during Cyclone Fani, drowning cases at Umia, Rivoi district, and the ring well incident that took place at Dinyong, Modingyang, search and retrieval of bodies during mishaps at Nongsingram village, Umseong, Umgot, Kilang rivers, where the victims were swept away by the water currents. The civil defense and home guard personnel also have done commendable job in emergency rescue during the natural calamities and other disasters that have taken place in the past. We are further taking necessary action to augment the capabilities of SDRF for tackling disasters such as floods and drowning in the water bodies.
New role in which this organization have been building of expertise and training volunteers both in urban and rural areas to be prepared to face any contingencies, and I have would to advise the department to take active help to the local school, college, and various local bodies like the Durbars, the Nokmas, etc., so that the capacity building and awareness to face many challenges become widespread. Our training home guard volunteers are also playing a vital role in aiding the Meghalaya Police of regulating traffic in Shillong and various district headquarters, besides being developed with other public and private agencies. This has helped the concerned volunteers in earning some income while providing security to the concerned department and agencies. Meghalaya being in highly seismic prone zone required adequate prepared to face any disaster. Our state needs a well-trained and well-equipped state disaster response force to tackle any contingencies. I am happy to learn that the state government has notified WONCO of the state disaster response force draw the personnel of the civil defense and Home Guard trained by the NDRF, exclusive devoted to the task of disaster management. The SDRF was immediately pressed into action in the face of precedented flood and landslide that occurred during the year, which triggered by the abundance and incessant rainfall, working, howard, and inundating